This is the elevator at IKEA in Lakeside. Isn't it? Yes, 4-speed twin door like that. Got one. Going up. Yep, going up.
Thank you.
Yep. Door close button does not work. I'm going to try this one here. Oh, this time it did work. There's the light fixtures up in the ceiling. Posters up in the floor indicator. Capacity is 2,500 gears, 33 persons, built modernised in 2013. It's a nice Schindler lift. Come that one in just a second. We're going to look at these buckets. So, we'll look at it. Sorry. So, have a nice day. There's a travelator, what we just went on earlier on. The posters on here, up in the ceiling. Exclusive conclusion with the lights and fixtures up in the ceiling and the floor indicator. Let's go back down. Back down the ground. Going down? Yeah. You're going down too? Yeah. Here we go.
Just going down. Ground floor.
Here we are, back down at ground.
Doors opening.
Have a nice day. We're going to go back up to one again. We're going to go back up to one again. We'll do it 2 rides in this, as there's so many people, like I said. So we're going to ride it again. And here we go. 2 minutes recorded.
Just going up.
Here at one. We're going to go back down to ground.
Doors opening.
Here we go.
Doors closing.
Door close button works. I like that.
Just going down. Ground floor.
And here we are back down at ground. Now we can finally exit the elevator. Opening. And let's watch it close up. Door takes forever to close the doors in this 4-speed in a twin door elevator.
Doors closing.
There we go, finally, and that's it.